Hi students, in the previous recorded sessions we discussed about kinds of noun, that is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Today in this class we shall be discussing about plural forms. We are discussing from the perspective of exam point of view. Okay? So we shall start. So like basically when do we use a plural form, or for which part of the speech we use plural form? For example, if I am walking, there is no plural form for walk. Why? Like particularly there is no, but when we are using third person, like she walks, it is possible. But there is no particular like, for example, if I have book here, I have book. If I have two books, this is singular, one book. If I have two books, I call it books. Or three books, it's books, isn't it? But is there something like that for walk? One walk, two walks, three walks, or one eat, two eats, three eats? No, because walk is a verb and there is no plural form for verbs. I can't tell that they walks. I can't tell that one. But they have books. I can say that one. मतलब एक सिर्फ noun को plural हो सकता है. Because वो एक चीज एक से ज़्यादा हो सकती है. For example, take this example of book. It can be one book, or if I'm taking two books, it can be two books. Because these are nouns and only noun takes plural form. Okay? Example like for cat, you just add yes for that one, it becomes cats. Like that only dogs, tigers, plates, books, where we are adding only yes for that one. But there are few examples which takes es, like the tomatoes, potatoes, and where they take es example. We take for potato, it's potatoes, or tomatoes. There is also example like knife, fe, it takes knives. Like that, there are few certain forms which they changed it. Like we have to add it here. VES or ES, yes. There is also losses, buses, where we added ES for that one. There are certain few examples like that. In your textbook on page number 6, there's given like this. We shall look into it. Okay, children, just look at here. They have given on page number 6. Study the following examples and observe the different ways of forming a plural. We shall look into it. Firstly, you have to understand only noun takes a plural form. सिर्फ noun एक से ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. एक आदमी एक से ज़्यादा हो सकती है. एक crow एक से ज़्यादा हो सकती है. एक keys, chair, whichever the noun. There can be more than one, but not any other part of speech. Like reds. If there are so many red roses, I can't tell reds roses. I can't tell that one. Okay? But if I see chairs, there are many red chairs, not reds chairs. It is something wrong. So we'll look into this example. Look at here. A soldier is a brave man. Firstly, mark which are nouns here. Soldier is a person. It can be a brave man. It is a noun. Man. It's a noun. See, brave is an adjective because it is describing the quality of soldier. What is an adjective? Like for example, example, just take this example, chalk. Okay? What is this? This is a chalk, isn't it? Chalk is a noun, but in which color it is? It is in blue color. So the word blue suggests that it is an adjective. What is an adjective? Which describes a noun in terms of size, in terms of shape, in terms of color, or in terms of physical appearance, like that. For example, there is a girl in the class and she's so fair. So the fair suggests that's the quality of that girl. I have a long hair. मतलब मुझे बाल नहीं, बाल क्या होता है, एक नाउन है। तो लॉन्ग किसे बोल रही, मैं अपने हेयर को बोल रही हूँ, इस वजह से क्या होता है, दैट्स अ लॉन्ग हेयर। अ टॉल मैन, टॉल किसे बोल रही, टॉल आदमी को ही बोल रही ना। तो टॉल किसकी खासियत, एक इंसान की हो सकती है, तो फिर एक जानवर की हो सकती है, नहीं एक नाउन की खासियत है कि नहीं। सो एन एडजेक्टिव इज समथिंग विच डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज दिस एग्जाम्पल इज दिस इज अ बॉक्स। बॉक्स क्या होता है, एक चीज। सो इफ अ थिंग, व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट, इट इज अ नाउन। So this box is in which color? It is in yellow color. So yellow is a descriptive thing. यानी इसकी एक खासियत क्या कि ये yellow है and it is big. Big बोले तो क्या होता है, तो it is also describing this box, isn't it? So brave कौन है, soldier है. Then it becomes it is an adjective. So the answer would be, and one more thing you have to remember. ये और and is only used for, ये और एन में कब यूज करती, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस। ये और एन इज यूज्ड फॉर singular noun. So here only a soldier. Then in while we are writing the answer, it can't be a soldier because ये और एन is used only for singular plural noun. So look at here. ये will not be there. So because ye is used for singular noun. See here, soldiers. What is is also used for singular noun. Soldiers are brave. You can see only definition. Okay, brave, I write it. Man becomes men. Man becomes men. Okay. Okay. See, soldiers are brave men. Why have we used are? Are is used for plural nouns, and man changes to men. Isn't it? Is this clear? Now the leaf fell from the tree. So what it becomes? The leaf become the leaves. See, the plural form of leaf is leaves. The leaves fell becomes fell only. From becomes from only. From the tree becomes trees. The leaves fell from the trees. Is this clear? Okay. Now see, the Negro rode on a pony. Pony is nothing but a small horse. A small horse. Is this clear? So Negro is nothing but before we use the term for black man. Usually you have seen the people from Africans. So initially they would refer to them as Negroes or black people, which is not, they are also a part of human beings. We are not supposed to underestimate them. They are also equal to us. The Negro rode on a pony. It becomes the Negroes. See, it becomes Negroes. The Negroes, rode is a verb, past form of ride. Ride, past form is rode. Ride का past form क्या होता है? Road होता है. So that is a road. The Negroes rode. It is a verb, a verb, so we will not change this one. We will not change this one. The Negroes rode on. अब ये we use it for singular, so we are not supposed to use it. ये देखो हम use करें. ये एक घोड़ा, ज्यादा घोड़े हैं तो we can't use it. ये here, so we will eliminate ये. The Negroes rode on ponies. Why are we not using ये? Because ये is used for singular noun and ponies are not singular. Ponies are not singular. Now look at this example. The woman sat on the bench. The woman is singular, so it becomes the women. I told the pronunciation. how it is used? W-O-M-E-N. What is this? W-O-M-M-A-N, woman. It is a singular. See here, the W-O-M-E-N. W-O-M-E-N. It is pronounced as women, woman. The women. Sat is the past form of sit. Sat is the past form of sit. The women sat on. There is only bench is nothing but a singular noun, so it becomes the benches. Okay, I'll write it here. The benches. Okay? Is this clear? Now look at this example. The lady lost the key. The ladies, because it is plural, the ladies lost the keys. K-E-Y-S, keys. Is this clear? Have you understood clearly? Is this clear? Fine. Okay children, look at this children. The few of this sit in a group and change the following sentences from singular to plural form. In the previous we studied we discussed about how we have to change singular into plural, and this is your exercise they have given for you. See here, the nurse is a noun, carried is the past form of carry, the baby. Baby is a noun. We shall look for the nurse changes to the nurses. The nurses, carried becomes carried only because it is a verb. The nurses carried the babies. The babies. Is this clear? Just take another chalk. Fine. Look at here. The thief is a noun. The thief stole. The thief stole a knife. A knife is a noun. The thief is a noun, and stole is a verb. The thieves. See, we have to add VES for thief. The thieves stole. See, a knife. Here we are using for singular one because knife is singular. Now we are not supposed to use it ye because the thieves stole knives. Is this clear? Because ye is used for singular noun. Look at here. The potato is a vegetable. Here the potato becomes the potatoes. The potatoes is become are because is used for singular noun. The potatoes are. Again, A is also used for singular noun. We are not supposed to use while changing from singular to plural. The potatoes are vegetables. Vegetables is exceptional case where we use it both singular and plural noun. Now, the ox is a noun, pulled is a verb, and the cart is again a noun. So here, dogs changes to the oxen because the plural form of ox is oxen. The oxen pulled, we are not supposed to change pulled because pulled is a verb. The oxen pulled the cart. The cart changes to the carts. Now look at here. The child had a bad tooth. See, this is teeth. If you have one, that's only one thing, that's a tooth. The singular form of teeth is tooth and the plural form of tooth is teeth. So the child had a bad tooth changes to the child had. We will not use ye because ye is used for or a is used for singular noun. So we are changing to plural sentence. It becomes the child had bad teeth. Bad teeth. Bad is again an adjective because it is describing the teeth. How was the teeth? It was very bad. Okay? Is this clear? This you have to copy it in your home, like the grammar book which you have kept for my part. Okay? In the next class we shall discuss more about the grammar things. Stay home, study well. Bye bye.